Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Thank y'all for joining me again. We're gonna do a real quick cook today. We got some burger patties, and what these are is ground up prime ribeye and prime filet mignon. So it's not real big, but we're gonna check those dudes out, and we're gonna do them on the Weber. And don't forget the sausage, man. The connector, that's good stuff. We're going to season our burgers with SuckleBusters, Tailgater's barbecue party rub. So y'all check out SuckleBusters. They got some good rubs. Let me tell you what, man. Uncle Steve's shake. That is like just, Uncle Steve is knocking it out of the park with his shakes, y'all. I'm telling y'all, go visit UncleSteve'sShake.com and get y'all some of Uncle Steve's shakes. Now, there's so many good shakes out there. My top three right now: Uncle Steve's, SuckleBusters, and Kosmos Q. Kosmos got some rocking stuff too, man. Look, so many good rubs. That's my favorite three for 2021. And we're gonna get this seasoned up with some of this Tailgater's barbecue party rub, and we're gonna get the stuff on there. We're gonna get it going because we're getting hungry here at the Roadhouse. So we'll be back. All right, y'all, grill's lit. We're gonna put our sausage over here on the side. Let it get all happy. Take our burgers and we're gonna put them right over here. All right. I'm gonna let them go for a couple minutes. Throws a little bit of smokage on there. I don't know how we'll do. There you go. Sear them off on each side just for a minute. Go in the rack and let them finish, so we'll be back. Alright, let's flip these over. Get some, yeah, get some on the other side, y'all. There you go, baby. Yeah, talk to my sweet lips. I'll let these go a few more minutes. And we'll be back. Alright, it's been a couple minutes. Let's check these burgers. It's all about the smoke screen, y'all. Oh yeah, they're looking good. Shrunk up a little bit. We're gonna put them on the outside here. Flip them over and put them on the outside. Alright. Let them go a little bit. We'll be back. Alright, these burgers ought to be just about done, y'all. Oh yeah, I'll move a couple things around there. Alright, about 150. There you go. Carrie got me that for Christmas. Pretty cool, huh? The little light so I can see what I'm doing at night. Oh yeah, we'll be back. Man, I almost forgot to put cheese on these things. Anyway, it's on there. We're gonna cover them and let the cheese melt back in a few. Alright gang, everything's done. Miss Carrie did us some tater tots. Put a little cheese on those in the oven. So let's, y'all come down here, let's build this burger, man. Get that junk out the way. Gizmo fussing, he wants some. Alright, we're going to take that in there. Just a little mayo, Nothing extreme tonight, y'all, you know. Burger patty. I'll put us a little onion on there. Couple of pickles. We ain't had no lettuce and all that, so you know, mostly for the taste of the ground steak for the burger. So, and what we'll do, I'll come back over here and we'll cut this dude in half. Get that out of the way. Let's cut this dude in half and see what we did. I attempted about 165, so we'll see, y'all. Hey, that's not bad. That ain't bad. Look, still juicy. Oh man, yes indeed. Alright, y'all come up here and let's see how this junk tastes. Cheers to you. Come on, camera boy. Pay attention. Cheers to y'all. I hear you, dude. Y'all, that's not bad. For that temp, when I pulled it, that's a lot juicier. I guess being prime, it's got more fat in it. A lot juicier than your regular ground meat. That's really good. Expensive for 4 burgers, but it's really good. I'm impressed with that. And the Tailgater's barbecue party rub, that's good stuff, man. Just SPG, that's good stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna plate up, give me some tots, give me a little connect sausage, and just wanted to see how this was, something different. Anyway, appreciate y'all. We'll see y'all next time.